Please subscribe, and you can download this code from description below. In Python, you may encounter situations where you need to modify the contents of a file in place, without creating a new file. This can be useful for updating configuration files, processing large data sets, or making quick edits without generating unnecessary copies. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to rewrite a file in place using Python with a step-by-step explanation and a code example. Make sure you have a basic understanding of Python and have Python installed on your system. Additionally, you should have a file that you want to modify in place. To rewrite a file in place, we need to open the file in read-write mode, R+. This mode allows both reading and writing operations on the file. Replace path /to/your/file.txt with the actual path to the file you want to modify. Read the contents of the file using the read method. This allows us to store the content in memory before making any modifications. Now that we have the content in memory, make the necessary changes. For example, let's replace all occurrences of a specific string with a new one. Replace old_string with the string you want to replace and new_string with the new string. Before writing the modified content back to the file, move the file cursor to the beginning using seek 0. Write the modified content back to the file using the write method. If the new content is shorter than the original content, truncate the remaining content to avoid leftover characters. Here's the complete example combining all the steps. Replace path /to/your/file.txt, old_string, and new_string as needed for your specific use case. By following these steps, you can efficiently rewrite a file in place using Python. ChatGPT. Sometimes, you may need to modify the contents of a file without creating a new one. In Python, you can achieve this by rewriting the file in place. This tutorial will guide you through the process of rewriting a file in place using Python, along with a practical code example. To perform in-place file rewriting, you need to open the file in both read and write modes. This can be done using the built-in open function in Python. In the above code, R+ mode allows both reading and writing. The file pointer is initially positioned at the beginning of the file. Before making any modifications, read the existing content of the file. This content will be used later to rewrite the file with the desired changes. Now that you have the content in memory, you can make the necessary modifications. For this example, let's say we want to replace all occurrences of old_text with new_text. After reading the content, the file pointer is positioned at the end of the file. To overwrite the file, move the file pointer back to the beginning using seek. Now that the file pointer is at the beginning, you can write the modified content back to the file. The truncate method is used to remove any remaining content in case the new content is shorter than the original. This completes the tutorial on rewriting a file in place with Python. Customize the code according to your specific requirements, and remember to handle errors and edge cases appropriately in a production environment. ChatGPT.